Have you ever seen a website that looks like this? Just a name, photo, and some links. Or an example like this one on the right. It's very similar, but a little bit different design. They're a lot like a digital business card. You can put your important links here and update it yourself whenever you want. Now, there are many services that will help you build this, but they often have limitations, either in design or feature set or cost. And at any point, they can change the rules and you could lose what you have. I'm going to show you how to build this for yourself on your own WordPress site where your designs are unlimited and you own your own content. I'm going to show you how to build this on WordPress.com. Here's the admin area for my site. And I'm currently using a theme that uses full site editing called Retrospect. I'm going to show you how to build this using the full site editor. It doesn't have to be Retrospect. It can be any site that uses full site editing. For example, 2025, the default theme that comes with WordPress. Everything I'm going to show you here will work on any of them. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is create a page. And I'm simply going to call it links and publish it empty, because we're not going to edit this page directly. We're going to edit a template. So let's go back to our admin and go to Appearance, Editor. And now we go to Templates. And in the top right, I'm going to click Add Template. And we'll go to Pages. And we're going to create a template for the links page. So we'll click that. Now it offers us a pattern. And we don't actually want this. We're going to start with a blank canvas. So I'll click Skip here in the bottom right. And there we are. Now I'm going to go back to this page where we started. Now these are called block patterns. We're going to be able to copy this entire design and paste it in all at once. I'm going to click this Copy button, go back to my editor, and right here, I'm going to right-click and go to Paste. And there we are. Now this one looks gray and the other one is white. But over here, if we go to the design area, you'll see there are 4 styles. The default is white. Then there's light gray, medium gray, and inverted, black and white. So I'm going to hit save right now, and then go to the links page. And there it is with Lyra Steele's information. From here on, we're just going to be editing this page with Gutenberg, which is the name of the site and post editor in WordPress. So if you know how to do that, you're basically all done with the hard part. If you're not familiar, let me show you how that works. Right here is the person's title. So I'm going to write WordPresser, because that's me. Then I'll type in my name. Now mine wraps because it's a little bit longer name. So over on the right, I'm going to change the size. Let's go to 75. There we go. And I'm going to click here and choose a different image. I'm going to click Replace. And I've already uploaded an image. And there I am. Now to change your social links, you simply click there and type it in. And I click the little swooshy arrow. And now that's a link to my profile. And I'm not going to fill in all the rest. You get the idea how that works. And then down here, I'm going to highlight these words and click this anchor and type in another URL. And hit enter. And now it's a link. So let's save and go look at it again. There we are. And I can click this button and go to another page. You can click here and look at my profile. And there we are. Now I'm going to zoom out a little bit so you can see more of it. And I'm in a Chrome-based browser right now. This is called Brave. And I'm going to go to Inspect. And now I can see it in mobile. So that's what it's going to look like on a phone. Right now, it scrolls. We're using iPhone 14. So I'm actually going to take the little footer off the bottom and save and reload. There we are. And it looks beautiful. Now, if I want to do a bit more design work, I'm going to click out here and go to Design. And I'm going to add a background image. I'm going to take this photo, which I took from the WordPress photos directory. This is actually my own backyard. But now the text is all wrong. It's too dark. I'm going to fix that now, but I want to point out that you can come back to this at any time and change this any way you wish. Bigger fonts, smaller fonts, a different font, whatever you'd like. So I'm going to do Command Z, undo that. I'm going to go back here and I'm going to edit style 3 because I want the white text. So I'll add a background image here, and there we are. So now I have a cool background. I click Save and reload it, and it looks like that. Now, right now, my URL has /links on the end. If you want to make this your home page, then we will go back to the admin and go to Settings, Reading, and set the home page to links. Save, and there we are. Now, this is my home page. Now, if you get a nice short URL, it's something you can put on a business card, then it's easy to remember, and you have a business card that can be updated at any time. Additionally, if you're in a Chrome-based browser like Brave or Chrome or any of the others, you can right-click and go to Create QR Code for this page and download this QR code and put it on a business card so that people can scan it and go right to your page of links. So to sum up really quick, what we did is first make a page that's empty. Then under Appearance Editor, we went into Templates. We created a template called Links, and then we edited it with Gutenberg and made it our homepage. Now, as a reminder, if you have this on your own site at WordPress.com, then no one can turn it off for you. No one can dictate what you're allowed to link to in there. No one can dictate your designs or limit your designs. This page is your own to do whatever you wish with. As always, be sure to leave questions and comments in the comment section below.